So this is Bobo, the white and gray cockatiel. And then I have Sunny. And Sunny, you can't really tell with the light in here. It has something to do with the color of the lighting. But what you see that looks white is actually a very pale yellow. And then he's got some bright yellow in different places. But he's a marble. And very beautiful as well. Bobo, we got him because our beloved Sunny, the cockatiel, died. And I was completely heartbroken. He was like my best little friend. And so we got Bobo from a pet store. He had a really rough start, so he's not much on being held or anything yet. We've had him about a month. But he is coming out of his shell. He now jumps out of his cage and comes to play and eat with Sugar. I hope I didn't call the darker cockatiel Sunny by accident. That is actually Sugar Britches. The loud one that you hear is actually a baby conure that is sitting on my shoulder and chest crying. It's 8 weeks old. He's still very, very baby. So yeah, Bobo now comes out and spend a little time with Sugar, which is encouraging. He's not scared to come out anymore. But we still have some work to do with him, but it's okay. We love him regardless. Hi, baby. Hi. So give you a close-up. See how beautiful? And he's got a funny little feather on his tail. I don't know if you can tell. It kind of looks like the carpet, but it's not. He hurt that in the cage. He messed it up before we got him. And that is little Sugar Britches. Sugar Britches is actually the one that is on my channel that had hyperextended his tail. We're thinking it was either from a night flight where they get startled sometimes, or possibly him just being a baby and jumping around. Sometimes they can hyperextend their tail, but we didn't notice that right away, so we're thinking it happened in the cage overnight. So he had to have surgery. He had 7 stitches, and he's such a sweetheart. Yeah. But he's doing better. So that is the 2 baby cockatiels right now.